Fucker, here is a beginner meditation for you to get in the present moment. This is Sadie. She's learning how to record with me. She just likes to do this. She's doing this on her own. She's getting used to the creator life. So find a place where you can meditate. You can do this seated, lying down, on a chair, meditation cushion, wherever the fuck. Grab your puppy, cat, and just close your eyes, fucker. Close your eyes. I'll guide you. All you have to do is listen to the sound of my voice. That's it. Just arrive. Invite your mind to your body. Say, hey mind, hey fucker. Come back to the body. Just bring your attention and awareness to your breathing now. Notice your breath. Be the witness to your breath. Notice your inhale and your exhale. Nothing to do or control with your breathing. Be the witness. You've been breathing all your fucking life. You know how to breathe. Observe it. As you inhale, say silently to yourself, inhaling. And as you exhale, say silently, exhaling. Inhale, say inhaling. Exhale, exhaling. Now, bring your attention and awareness to your body. Notice your body. Be the witness to your body. Take a scan of your body from the crown of your head all the way to your toes. Now, bring your attention and awareness to your thoughts. Watch your thoughts like you're watching clouds passing by. Your thoughts roll the fuck in and roll the fuck out like clouds. And there's nothing to do or control with your thoughts. Watch them. Be the witness. No judgment. If a thought starts to spiral you out of the present moment, just come back to your breathing. Observe, be the witness to your thoughts. Now take a nice deep inhale through your nose. Exhale, say fuck. Fuck! Open your eyes, come back. There you go. Beginner meditation. It's all about awareness. Mindfulness meditation is awareness, aware of your breath, aware of your body, and aware of your thoughts. Nothing to do or control. Be the witness to your thoughts, witness to your body, witness to your breath. You do that consistently, and it's a fucking superpower. I'll tell you more on the next videos. So there you go. Get the Chill Pill with Yogi Bryan app to go even deeper. And this is Sadie, a very good meditation puppy. So thanks for joining me. Hit the like, subscribe, do all that shit.